Hello everyone, welcome back to the fast track revision series of UGC NET Electronic Science. In this video we are going to learn about JK flip-flop. Okay, JK flip-flop. If you are first time to my channel, please consider subscribing and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get video notifications from my channel. Right? So this is the diagram of JK flip-flop. So this will act as JK flip-flop. So this will be like this. So JK, same clock pulse here, Q bar. Okay, so this is the modification of SR flip-flop to act as JK flip-flop. That is, SR flip-flop is converted into JK flip-flop. Okay, so the conversion functions are S is equal to J into Q bar and R is equal to K into Q. This you can remember for flip-flop conversions also. Okay, so I am writing the truth table. So I am not going to prove them, right? I am directly writing J, K, Qn plus 1. So 0, 0, Qn plus 1 is equal to Qn. If you want, you can check also, you'll get the same. 0, 1, 0, 1, you'll get it as 0. 1, 0, you'll get it as 1. Right? So 1, 1, you'll get Qn bar. Just remember, so this is no change condition. This is reset condition, this is set condition, this is toggle condition, toggling condition. So if the Qn plus 1 is Qn bar, that is called as toggling. Toggling means changing 0 to 1 or changing 1 to 0. Okay, so that condition is called toggling condition. Suppose if you want a excitation table of JK flip-flop. So first of all you have to write Qn plus 1 based on Qn plus 1 value. So what are the values of the inputs is called as excitation table. What is truth table? Based on the flip-flop inputs, what is the next state? So how the next state will be, which is dependent on the present state output. Okay, so what will be the next state we are going to have? So based on flip-flop inputs. Now so based on present state output and next state output, what will be the flip-flops you have to give? So that is called as excitation table. Okay, understand the difference between truth table and excitation table also. Right? So 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. Right. Same as SR flip-flop, what we have done is the same we have to do here also. So in this case, for this case, if you want to write, so Qn plus 1 is equal to Qn, right? Qn plus 1 is equal to Qn and Qn plus 1 is equal to 0. So Qn plus 1 is equal to 0. So what are the two conditions which satisfy? First two conditions. Qn plus 1 is equal to Qn and Qn is equal to 0. So in the first two conditions, J is same, which is 0. So 0 will write, and K is changing from 0 to 1, will write it as don't care. That's all. You can derive the excitation table there itself. You just have to remember the truth table of any flip-flop. You can derive the excitation table. Now say take the second condition, Qn plus 1 is equal to Qn bar. Yes or no? So Qn plus 1, so what are the two conditions? Qn plus 1 is equal to Qn bar because 0 is changing to 1. And second condition is Qn plus 1 is equal to 1. So what are the two conditions which satisfy this? So third here and fourth. In third and fourth, so J is same, which is equal to 1. And K is changing from 0 to 1, so it is don't care. That's all. This is how you can write. Same here also, Qn plus 1 is equal to Qn bar. Right, so 1 is changing from 0 and Qn plus 1 is equal to 0. The value here is 0. So what are the conditions? Second and fourth. In second and fourth, j is changing from 0 to 1, so j is changing from 0 to 1, so it is I don't care, and k is constant which is equal to 1, so I'll get 1 here. Similarly here, so for the last one, so last one qn plus 1 is equal to qn, right? Same value, 1 to 1 only, and qn plus 1 is equal to 1. So what are the conditions? First and third. In first and third, j is changing from 0 to 1, so it is I don't care, and k is constant which is equal to 0, so I'll get 0 here. That's all. This is the excitation table. Okay, so remembering excitation table is somewhat difficult, so if you remember truth table, you can derive the excitation table if you know the procedure. Okay, so the last concept is characteristic equation. Characteristic equation. So this question is asked in December 2019 exam. So characteristic equations of SR flip-flop and JK flip-flop were asked in a single question. Okay, so same procedure. So characteristic equation is Qn plus 1 is a function of flip-flop inputs and Qn. Okay, so J, K, Qn plus 1. So 0 0 0 0 0 1, because these three are inputs now. 0 1 0, 3 input combinations we have to write. 0 1 1 1 0 0 1 0 1 1 1 0 and 1 1 1. And see the truth table now. So for the first two cases, j is equal to 0 and k is also equal to, when j is equal to 0 and k is equal to 0, qn plus 1 is equal to qn. So you have to write the same value. 0 is same, and 1 you have to write the same value of 1. And for the next two cases, j is equal to 0 and k is equal to 1. So j is equal to 0, k is equal to 1 is reset condition, so output is 0. Similarly, for 1 0, for the next two cases, j is equal to 1 and k is equal to 0, it is set condition, so output is 1 1. And for 1 1, for the last two cases, right, it is qn bar, so 0 is changed to 1 and 1 is changed to 0. That's all. So 3 variable k map, because you have 3 variables here, right? So 3 variable k map you have to take, right? So this is j, this is k into qn 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 1. Now where the main terms are there, so it is 0 0 1, so this is where the main term exists. 1 0 0, this is where the main term exists. 1 0 1 and 1 1 0. Okay, so if you do the grouping, so this is one group, this is the second group. So output of this group is k bar qn, and output of this group is j into k bar or j into qn bar. So qn plus 1 is equal to j into qn bar plus k bar into qn. That's all. This is the characteristic equation. Everything you can derive at the time of exam only. No need to mug up everything. Okay, so even if you mug up more, so there is always a chance of losing it in your memory. Okay, so don't mug up more, learn the concept. Right?